Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video. Ex-VP, ex-Vice President Leni Robredo to run for mayor in Naga City in 2025. Totoo ba tong tatakbong si ex-Vice President Leni Robredo? On Thursday, June 20, Leveler Party President N. Albay, First District Representative Edsel Lagban announced that former Vice President Leni Robredo will run for mayor of Naga City in 2025 elections. At no further ado, panoorin po natin ang kanyang kung bakit siya tatakbo as mayor ng Naga City. Alright, let's get it on. And no further ado, let's do watch. Alright, let's go.
On Thursday, June 20, Liberal Party President and Albay 1st District Representative Edsel Lagban announced that former Vice President Leni Robredo will run for mayor of Naga City in the 2025 elections. Lagban shared that in their last conversation, Robredo mentioned her plan to run as mayor to continue the programs of her late husband, former Interior and Local Government Secretary, and longtime Naga City Mayor Jesse Robredo. The late Robredo was awarded the 2000 Ramon Magsaysay Award for Good Governance for his efforts in steering Naga City to prosperity through people's participation in government policy formulation. Additionally, Lagban noted that the former vice president will campaign for the Senate slate of the Liberal Party and allied parties for the 2025 elections, though he did not disclose the names of the individuals being considered.
Alright, yan, confirm talaga na tatakbo si ex-Vice President Leni Robredo sa Naga at subaybayan po natin ang kanyang kandidatura sa 2025. And maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig dito kay Rob Trip Breaking News. Rob Trip Reacts. Alright, thank you so much.